Now, this is the $3,000 that I've made already from threads by Instagram. Now, I know you might have some questions like, how is it even possible to make this amount of money already on threads? Well, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the exact same strategy that I used in making this money and how you can implement it and start making at least $40 every 4 hours. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. Hi, in case you're new to this channel, I am 7 Figure Boss, and my primary goal on this channel is to help you make 7 figures online from the comfort of your home using digital skills. I teach all the digital skills and how to make money online on this channel. And hey, I would advise you to watch this video to the end so that you can get all the juice that I have for you in this video. And maybe you might find a reason or 2 or 3 or even 4 reasons why you should subscribe to this channel. But until then, I'm going to quickly share how I was able to make this money. Then I'm going to share 3 ways you can also make this money using your own threads by Instagram. Now, it was on Twitter that I heard the buzz about threads, and I checked it out and I was keeping tabs, and immediately it was launched. I signed up immediately, went through it, understood how it works and everything, and I did a video breaking down how you can actually use threads to make money for yourself and also grow very fast on threads. And immediately I did that video, I uploaded it, and then I went back and started implementing the things that I taught in the video, because I do what I preach and I preach what I do, whichever one. If you have not seen that video here, you can find the video here. Of course, you go watch it after watching this video. I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can comfortably watch it after watching this particular video, so that you can also understand how you can also make money using thread and also how you can grow your thread account super fast. Now, what I did is I went straight to my thread account and I started talking about the same thing I talk on the YouTube channel. I started breaking down how people can make money without chasing shadows, because a lot of people chase shadows online, and at the end of the day, they waste time, waste resources, and they don't make any money. So I broke down the guaranteed ways to make money online. A lot of people started DMing me on Instagram, asking me more about those things that I stated out. And on the other hand, I have this particular service here, 1 year one-on-one digital skills training and mentorship. 3 people signed up for this, and that is how I was able to make this $30,000 from thread. Now, if I had not signed up on thread, if I had not made that thread, I wouldn't have made this money. And that is why I decided to make this video, to share with you how much I've already made and also tell you what you can do and how you can do it, and give you an idea on the product you can sell, because you might not be like me, you might not have $1,000 product or service, but you might have some services that can accumulate over time. And that is what I want to share with you. I don't share anything that is unrealistic on this channel. I share things that are realistic, that you can achieve, that if you take all these things away, I can use those things and start making money for myself with my eyes closed from any part of the world. And then the $80 that is on top of it is the revenue that I got from the video that I made sharing how to use threads. So that could be you. It might not be on YouTube, it could be on your blog. If you have a blog, it could be on another platform, it could even be online, it could be offline. Then you can also teach companies how to do these things. There are a lot of companies, maybe not big companies that have all the money to pay all the social media managers and all that, but you can actually get these companies, like smaller companies or local companies. You have to sell the fact that thread can actually help them gain a lot of visibility and all that, and you teach them how to use it instead of hiring a social media manager that will charge them a lot higher. So it's best that their staff does it, and for them to do it, they need to do it well and professionally and everything. So that's that way you'll be able to step in and train their staff and get paid for it. So that's one way you can make money off of this. Then the second way is by opening a Fiverr account. Currently, people don't even have gigs on Fiverr. The last time I checked, there's nobody offering gigs on threads on Fiverr. So you can do threads account management. You can manage people's thread, because it's not easy sending those threads every second, every minute you're threading. It can really be overwhelming, and a lot of people don't have the time. A lot of people, trust me, a lot of business owners don't have the time. A lot of companies, a lot of businesses don't have the time. Even individuals, you can start managing their accounts. And let me give you an idea. You can create packages. You can create like 1,000 threads in a month and then have a fee that they're going to pay you. Maybe you create it for a month or for a week or however you want to do it. Just sit down and figure out what will work best for you. Another way that you can make a guaranteed $40 every 4 hours is by marketing a skill. Now, the truth is, before you can make any reasonable amount of money online, you need to have a lot of skills. You need to have so many. As the more skills you have, the more money you make. And one skill that will stand out and will guarantee $40 every 4 hours is web designing. I know when you hear web designing, you start thinking about hosting, you start thinking about domain name, plugins, themes, and all that. No, you don't even have to go through all that because there is now Canva website, and I've taught how to do that in this video. You can go here to watch it after watching this video, of course, and I'll also leave the link in the description so that you can watch how you can design a portfolio website, an e-commerce website using Canva, just Canva, and the only thing you're going to be paying for is the domain name. So let's assume that you just buy a domain name of $5. That means you're making $35 profits for every web design. And all you need to do on Thread, because Thread is so new, celebrities are responding, people are retweeting, people are trying to engage, people are trying to, get involved, get in the conversation. So this is when you have to just slip in your services. Most people already have this consciousness that to design a website costs an arm and a leg, so they don't even bother. They think it's something that you have to do for $500, $200, $1,000, and the rest of it. Then if you can share that you can do this website for $40, 20,000, I guarantee you that in less than 1 hour, you will get one positive response. So it's going to be a steal when you start posting this thing. And because you're also posting under a viral thread, a lot of people will come to you. And guess what? The most interesting part of this whole thing is that it's something that you can do with your phone, guys. It's something that you can do with your phone. And that is why I'm so convinced about this. And if you can start it right now, if you learn, just after watching this video, go ahead and watch it. I'm going to leave the playlist where I put, the tutorials for Canva website. So all you have to do to start implementing this is to learn how to use your mobile phone to design a Canva website. Make sure you learn it first. Don't jump. Don't skip the step. Make sure you learn it first. Do it for yourself and make sure that it has worked before you can start promoting it, before you can start advertising it for people to pay you. Because it's going to be a very bad thing on your integrity and your brand if you collect money from people to do a certain thing and then you don't even do it well. The idea, the strategy that I've been using over the years is to under-promise and over-deliver, and it has been helping me. It took me from nothing. I did not have any inheritance. I did not have any capital. I just started from ground zero, and I've been able to build 7 figures, multiple 7 figures. And that is why I created this channel, to share the same strategies that I use on a daily basis to make this Benjamin. So if you're interested in this, if by now I've been able to convince you to subscribe to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Just click here right now to subscribe to this channel. And hey, this is the next video that YouTube recommends that you watch on this channel, and see you on the other side.